Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstrations how to fix your Gmail password in case someone who has stolen, someone who has hijacked, or someone who has hacked your Gmail password. Now you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phones. How do you reset off it? How do you especially fix it? We will see in this tutorial lives. This area has been provided by one viewer and who has lost his device, and due to losing of his device now, he is unable to rescue his especially his email password because of a common method. Google is not giving the much more clue to, so we will try to generate a best alternative options to rescue it. And easily this can be recovered. Here is asking last password. We can see here, guys. Now here is asking the phone number. We don't have a phone number due to losing of device. Now it doesn't have send things except especially Gmail. So now it's essential that you did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is really or. So this account can be recovered, answer as many questions as you can, and the user device where you have signed in before. And the third is that any alternative email is already added there, then we have sent an email to your parents to change your password. We create three options from here because this is not possible from my side here. So we will try to generate by alternative options. Can I have? Of course, this ID can be especially recovered, but you will have to apply a similar strategy. Yes, that I will show you. So don't skip ahead. Every step is very crucial, guys. We will come in Play Store. We will try to download it, especially with AI with virtual private networks option this browser, and the phone, of course. We'll go forget it. So it has started to install here. On the other hand, we have two changes that is very crucial, especially. Take any smartphone, apply a similar strategy, scan how many browser you are using, and the phone. In each browser you will have to hold, and we will have to go in app info. After coming to app info, of course, we will tap on notification. Notification we will have to make it off, and the phone. We'll come the permissions to navigate the precise locations to off, so tap on it here. Make the precise location off, and then click here don't allow, so no longer function as intended. Now it's notifying fines. We'll back here one more times. Checked out the free of space, that should be disabled, so free of space is already off now, and they remove the permissions and the phone. Of course, directly will come down another browser. That is also the product of at. Sorry, just let me cut it this. Hold this browser and the phone, of course. Will come on here and the phone, of course. In an app info after coming, of course, tap on it, especially notification, make it off. Then we will come on here and we'll have to come in a permission. The permissions too, of course, we will have to tap on a location. After tapping, make the precise location off, and then click here don't allow, so no longer the function as intended hands fines. Now we will have to back here one more time, and of course checked out the free of space, so the remove permission and free of space that should be disabled, guys. We'll have to back one more time here, so here is especially open by default. So this one, see here these links, open supported links, that we will have to disable. You will have enable, guys, so the make it disable it and the phone. And now see here what's going to happen. So we will have to come to the Play Store. In the Play Store, let it complete installations, and the phone the further we will go for here. So almost the 50% is we have completed. When it complete to the installs, and then the further we will go for here. So apply a similar strategy, guys. Step by step, watch carefully, and then, of course, easily you can the rest of it. How it is possible, I will show you. So don't worry. Yes, now approximately 67 or 70% means scarcely 30% is remain. So let it complete, and the one, of course, the further we will go for here. Yes, a little bit. It's taking time, so don't worry. Yes, we will wait here. Almost, especially the 20% remains more. Apply similar studies, guys, and you'll have any query and the confusions, and then of course blindly raise the query below the comment box. A pleasure would be mine to reply your query. So now say it has started to complete install. So of course we are waiting to let it highlight to open. So it's alive in front of you, everything is happening, and we will see here if any error will come. So then of course by alternative also we will try to fix it. So yes, it is still installing files. We will have to wait here what we can here. It's a little bit taking time, guys. Now see, it has installed. So just we will tap to open, and when we tap to open, so then see here. Yes, almost. Just don't do anything extra, otherwise it will take much more times to set up, especially. Now here simply we will have to pick this one. So when we pick, then how do we directly on here. Now what we will do, just we will go in shine in the inside of tag and the bone here. Just we will have to tap on here and tap with this particular ID. So let's see. And upon here, just we will go for tap to next, and when we tap to next, then see here what's going to happen, guys. Of course, it's asking password, so just according to a requirement, we will have to go access. Now we don't have this phone, so just we will go for try another way. Fans. Now we don't have last password, so we have to go for try another way. So Google will give you alternative option always here. Now here is especially registered fund, especially the phone number. See here of verified ID of United States. So what we will do, guys, here we don't have a phone number, so because of losing of this, especially the device, the phone number was not available now, and especially the view was too much the worried here. So now here see because of that. So it is essential that answer as many questions as you can. Use a device where you have the sign in before. Third is the alternative email, and fourth is the motives to the rest of this account. So by tapping on a motives to the rest of this can be the possible. How it is? Don't click on a try again, otherwise of course Google will traction that the traction the rest code by decided by different browser. So what we will do, just to tap on a specially setting, and we will take a Google as the sense to the rest of it. So yes, here we'll have to tap in a setting 2, of course. So definitely you will have option Google services and the preferences. This is especially designed to address of course. So now here we will come in the help center, and the help center here what we will do, just simply we will have to write here, write a hacked Gmail recovery. If we click on here, then this page will be open here, and what we will do here, just we will have to go for especially that a secure hacked or compromised Google account. So of course now we will come here, and here is especially see review your account activities. When we tap on here, so then here see all the things that we have done. That is essential that you will have to follow these all steps. Now here is also given that if you still believe that someone else is using your account, and then of course we'll have to find out if your account has been hacked. So tap on it. So when we tap, and then this page will be redirected to you here, and this taps to the can helps. Just now what we will do, guys, here after coming on here check it out that how many link are the comings. One is especially create a replacement to Google account. Second is avoid getting locked out of your Gmail accounts. Here is a Google account.coms. On this we will have to not to go for, because this is especially for spam folder for masses. But here just we will come in here, that is go to account recovery page. When we tap on it, then easily you would be directly on recovery page once again, and here one tap automatically this side would be recommended. and just tap on an X and see here automatically this can be recovered. So without any doubt guys, here now see what we will do here. Don't click on a continue, otherwise would be a trap in its verify you option. So just we will tap on a update password. So directly now we have a strong opportunity to create the strong password, and after creating a strong password we will save it and we will go for inside it. After going the inside, of course we will have to go in our Google account management to sign in, and there firstly we will add an alternative email. After adding that, easily we can remove her alternative phone number that was added old ones, and we can remove and we can add a new one. So this ID and data will be fully secure guys now and permanently. These things, phone number and etc. special elements of the verifications, recovery things, I cannot show you in the public domains. I cannot disclose you guys because this is privacy concern of my viewer, and he was a two-word issue. After successfully we have the recovery, we will have to deliver to especially. So this is all about, and how do you like these tutorials? Don't forget, leave feedbacks below the comment box, and do a similar strategy. If you are unable, then of course you can drop your email, and thereupon of course write rescue it. After recovery, of course I will deliver to you, but you should have no any objections to it. Disclose this, especially on a public domain on these channels. Now spontaneously, of course, here this is only for institution purpose, so try to otherwise go at your own email. So this is all about. So thank you for staying the till the end of this tutorials. Hi, this is the Technology Welfare, and I will be back with step by step new tutorials guys. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and of course it really supports the channel guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.